Cistanche tubulosa extract. Cistanche tubulosa extract function, used to treat dry intestines and constipation. It can improve human immunity and improve memory, can help support and enhance kidney function. It has anti-aging and anti-fatigue effects. Brown fine powder. Cistanche is a fully parasitic desert plant of the genus Cistanche, commonly known as desert hyacinth. Tubular cistanche plays an important role in its longevity. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us.